This week on the Traveling Smiles, we head to Cape Kiwanda for Val's birthday. We climb a giant sand dune.
It's a lot steeper than it looks.
Play in the ocean. And have lots of baby meltdowns.
Oh.
Cross my name off the list.
Today we're exploring a new beach on the Portland coast and we're at Cape Kiwanda.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Today is Val's birthday. So we're doing a day trip for her birthday and she chose to go out here.
Yeah, I'm excited. It looks like a lot of fun.
Seagull walking.
Yep, there's a seagull walking and a couple surfers.
Yeah,
It should be a nice day for some cool stuff to look at.
yeah.
Let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
It's a lot steeper than it looks. All right, let's go. See where other people stepped? Try to step there. It's gonna take us all day to get to the top of this thing.
Check out some of the cliffs because I saw a few pictures of people walking like underneath archways and stuff, but all the access points I think were over the fence, and it's just not safe, especially with little ones like ours. So we're gonna go climb to the top of a sand dune. This is how our day is going. Hiking up sand dune is a lot more challenging with a screaming, kicking baby and a toddler on your shoulders. Tickle you. Tickle you, grumpy ghost.
Start running.
Happy birthday to you, Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! And many more.
To do some of the work. I can't just drag you up this hill. Any changing tables?
No.
Stand right here.
Grumpy girls. Grumpy girls.
What?